Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix any Windows update error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So if you get any kind of errors while updating your Windows and you have tried many steps but it's still not working, so might as well follow the simple steps that I'm going to show you, and please do make sure that you finish watching this video till the end. Okay, so let's get started. So let's open the settings, and we can do that by making a click here in the start icon or Windows icon and then go to settings. So let's check first what version of Windows we have. Okay, so let's go to system and scroll down a little bit, and let's go to about. And here we have edition Windows 11 home single language. Okay, so the version we have is 24H2, and after doing that we now go to troubleshoot settings. So in the Windows search tab, please type troubleshoot, and under best match please do open troubleshoot settings, and in here let's go to other troubleshooters. And for the Windows update, please do click on this run button here to run the troubleshoot options or to run the troubleshooting. And once done with the troubleshooting, please do make a restart with your device and then check or see if the update or the Windows update is now not having errors. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is do a system file checkup. So we can do that by, again, in the Windows search tab, please type cmd, and under best match please make a right click with command prompt and then click on run as administrator, and then we just click on yes. And in the description box below, I have leave there two commands. Please do follow, or please do copy the first one, and let's paste it here in this black window. And let me just copy my Okay, so copy the first command. You will see the system file checker. So please copy the sfc space / scan now command. Let me just copy this one and then paste it here. And then once pasted, please click on enter. So this will begin the system scan, and this process will take some time. So let's just wait for the verification process to be done, and then let's proceed with the next one. So again, let's fix the Windows file and let's open the command prompt window. Okay, so again, cmd, and make a right click with the command prompt, run as administrator, click on yes, and copy the command for fix Windows file, the DISM, this one, copy and then paste in the window. It's DISM.exe space /online space /cleanup -image space /Restorehealth. Once done pasting, please click on OK or enter, and this might take also for a little while, so let's just wait for that to finish. And once all the process that we made or you did once you're done with all the process that we made, please do make a quick restart with your device and see if the updates are now working. Okay, so the next thing we need to do, or if you're still having some issues, we can also try doing a manual update, and we can do that by following the steps that I'm going to show you. So here in the Windows update, or I mean the Windows search tab, please type Windows update. And then let's go click on Windows update settings, and in here we need to click on update history. Okay, so you will see here all the update versions you have, or the downloaded and installed versions, or the history of your updates in the Windows. And all you need to do is just to look for uninstall updates options, and in here, so please look for, or please do copy the KB number of the latest update that you have, and please visit the link that you will find in the description box below. I have leave it there. Please do visit that link and then copy the KB number in the latest update that you have, and then paste it in the search tab that you will find just like this. So that is a Microsoft Update Catalog link, and once you click on that, you will be redirected with this website, and just paste the KB number of the latest update that you have. Okay, and once you click on search button here, that will automatically download the updates that you can have for your device. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.